What constitutes a substantial investment for the E-2 visa program? This is one of the top questions of E-2 investors. The reason is that the E-2 visa law is extremely ambiguous on the amount of money required to qualify for the E-2 visa. The law simply states that they want a substantial investment. And the reason is that US government wants the investment amount to be appropriate for the type of business. So they couldn't specify a dollar amount that would be appropriate for all businesses, all industries. So what happens is they want the applicant to choose or make the determination of the appropriate investment amount and then present it in the E-2 application for the visa officer's judgment. The scary part of this is that you have to invest the money first before you can apply for the E-2 visa. So understanding what is a substantial investment for your business is very important. And to boil it down is the investment amount needs to be more than sufficient to cover all startup expenditures to bring the business to point of active operation. And you should also have a reasonable amount of working capital reserve, especially for a startup business, that is sufficient to cover enough months of operating expenses until the business can reasonably generate enough revenue to sustain itself. If you're buying an existing business, what is considered substantial investment typically is the negotiated purchase price of the business. Now, in certain circumstances, depending on the purchase price, it's possible to make a down payment and finance the remaining balance of the purchase price. So typically, your investment would be the majority percentage of that purchase price. And then the remaining amount could potentially be seller financing, bank financing, or maybe even contribution from a U.S. business partner. For more information regarding the E-2 visa, please feel free to visit my website, e2visalawyer.net. I have top 28 FAQs as well as videos and blogs that answer all of your questions regarding the E-2 visa program.